In today's video, we're going to be showing you two of the greatest apps that we've ever known. These two apps is going to help you make $1,000 and have it sent into your PayPal account straight. Imagine all this money just showing up as a notification. Even I'd be stunned. So if you guys are just as excited as I am, then go ahead and open up. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. What you're gonna need to have for today's strategy is just a mobile phone or a computer. It doesn't matter which one you have, as long as you have any of the two, you're pretty much set. Make sure that you also have an internet connection ready, because you're also going to need that. This strategy will not require any investment or payment from you, which means that our method is completely free. As always, all you're expected to do is download these two apps, keep it on your phone or your laptop, and just collect your earnings. It's as easy as that. This is, of course, available to everyone around the world, no matter where you're from, so don't worry if you live in a very remote area, because we're sure that these two apps will cater to you. As always, we have some bonus tips and tricks for you guys, so if you don't want to miss any of that, make sure you watch till the end, and let's get into it. Our first app or website is called Userfill.com, and this is how their website should look like. Now let's go through this website really quickly, just so we can get to know it more. A better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fees needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers without an expensive subscription, from over $60 per user test. Trusted by over 500 organizations, as you can see over here. There are over 150,000 qualified testers from around the world, which is such a great thing to know. Now, how does Userfill compare to other popular using testing tools? First, there's no subscription needed. You are going to get paid $60. There are over 40 languages. You can bring your own testers. There are advanced demographics, unlimited screener questions. There are unmoderated and moderated user tests. There are video highlight reels, and there are also audio transcription for those who want to do that. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts about 20 to 10 minutes long, and it is completed with your home or computer or your smartphone. Now you're going to read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. Now remember, read the following instructions carefully before applying, or you risk your time and not get paid. Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos, so that it will be based completely off of all your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure you do that, and let's get back into the video. Now, some facts about testers. Let's go through them to better understand this website and its opportunities. Now, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. How do I get paid and how much? For each test you conduct after the initial qualification test, you get paid $10. You receive payment after approval and about 1 week after the test via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. You can set your preferred form of payment in your profile. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can open one at www.paypal.com. How much can I earn per month as a tester? The amount of money you can earn depends on your rating as a tester. You get rated by the Userfill team for the first qualification test. Then you get rated by our customers for each paid test you take. The better your rating, the more tests will be assigned to you. The amount of tests you'll receive will also depend on the amount of orders we get that ask for your demographic profile. There's no guaranteed number of tests. You may get 5 tests a day, you may get no tests for a year. So that's basically this website and some of its most asked questions that you would have probably wanted to know. And it's super easy to get hired here and literally start earning right away. To officially start the process, just click on Become a Tester right here and then fill up all of the details being asked of you. So your first name, your last name, your email address twice, country you live in, and again, everything from A to Z, your year of birth, password twice, your payment method, and make sure you fill this out completely and accurately or else you won't get paid, and then finish up and apply. Wait for an acceptance email, and as soon as you get accepted, you can start making money with this website and make over $1,000 every month. So make sure you try this website out. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know and you're going to be the first to make money out of all my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Our second and last website is called Moneyapp.org, and it says, complete simple offers and earn money. You can download this on both your Android and iOS devices, so don't even worry about it. How it works, the Moneyapp app is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Earn credit, complete as many tasks as you can in Hot Offers tab. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. We recommend checking the offers stated as hot, as update often and provide high credits. Cash out. Once your credit balance, which is displayed on the top right of the screen, is enough to cash out, you can do so at the Payouts tab by requesting a payout to be sent to your PayPal account straight away. Enjoy your money. Payouts take around 48 hours and are paid directly into your account. We notify you once the payout is completed, and then you can enjoy your money. So this is how it would look like if you look it up in the App Store. And as you can see, it has a 4.9 rating out of 5, which is absolutely high, which means this app is great and it is trusted and everybody thinks it's legit. You make money every day. This is the #1 rewards app, and you get paid fast. Complete easy tasks and get cash. And of course, you get real money, not vouchers. Earn money with small tasks. #1 best rewards app. Get money for completing tasks, giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shopper, testing services, free trials. New tasks are updated often, so you never run out of money-making opportunities. You can do it anytime and can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated missions, and best of all, it's a fun and quick way to make a few extra bucks. Moneyapp pays fast. No gift cards or discounts. You are paid hard cash, as I've mentioned, straight into your PayPal account. Now that is it for both websites. Make sure you download them and sign up for an account and start earning. So don't forget those two websites. The first website that we talked about is called Userfill.com. That's the first website. And the second website is called Moneyapp.org. So make sure you check those two out and let us know how it goes for you. And we will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.